If the touchscreen is not working or if it is not responsive on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, first of all, if you have applied any screen protector on your tablet, just remove it. Because if you have applied any screen protector which is not supported with your device, this could interfere with the touch working of the screen. So just remove the screen protector, then just clean the screen of your tablet using a soft cloth and just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a force restart on your tablet. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen of your tablet goes black. Just like that. Now just press and hold both of these buttons until the screen of your tablet goes black and the Samsung logo appears on the screen. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now after you've done that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is fixed after doing a force restart, then this has happened because of a software glitch. Now to fix the software glitch, just go to Settings and tap on Software Update. Tap on Check for New Updates, and from here just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your tablet because this software glitch will be fixed through a software update. Now if you have done the force restart but if this did not fix your issue, then this means that you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the touchscreen is not working on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.